Packing your bug-out bag efficiently is critical for maximizing space and ensuring you have everything you need in a survival situation. Today, we'll go over some essential tips to help you pack smarter, not harder. Start by placing heavier items like food and water at the bottom of your pack to maintain stability. Then, use compression bags to minimize the size of your clothing and bulky gear, freeing up space for other essentials. Use external pockets for quick access items like first aid kits, multi-tools, and flashlights. Roll items like sleeping bags or tarps and attach them securely to the outside of your pack, saving room inside for vital gear. Make sure priority items, such as medical kits and fire-starting tools, are easily accessible near the top. This organization ensures you're prepared for any scenario. By following these tips, you can pack more efficiently while keeping your bug-out bag balanced and organized. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.